Many people wonder what happens after death, and this workshop, Understanding the Afterlife Without Fear, delves into how consciousness continues beyond the physical body. This 2-hour online workshop, hosted by author and afterlife and consciousness expert Ronnie Tsunami, is designed to be calm, thoughtful, and grounded, welcoming all belief systems. It's about understanding, not persuasion, and offers a fresh perspective on life and death. We'll explore what consciousness is, why it may not be created by the brain, and what actually changes at death. Understanding death as a transition rather than an ending can bring clarity and purpose to life. By understanding consciousness beyond the physical body, fear of death naturally softens, and life feels less fragile. Meaningful moments stop feeling confusing, and purpose becomes easier to access. This workshop is especially helpful for those who have lost loved ones, feel caught between religious and material views, or want clarity that brings peace rather than demands certainty. You'll leave with a clear, calm way to think about death, language to understand loss, and a deeper sense of meaning. Immediate relief and a lasting framework will help you navigate life's challenges. Limited spaces are available for this intimate, personalized experience. Join those who have transformed their relationship with death and loss.